So here is how to return items on Temu. But before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to get a $100 free coupon bundle or use my code ACR697477 to get 30% discount. On the Temu app, tap on You from the bottom panel. Once you're here, tap on Your Orders. So this is the page where you can view all your order information. Also, the processing orders, shipped orders, delivered orders, and returns. This is the section where you'll be able to view all the items that you've returned. And if you want to return an item that you've ordered, you can go over to Delivered and select the item you want to return and choose the return option. From there, just fulfill the requirements and you will easily be able to return the item to Temu. This way, you can easily return any item that's been delivered from Temu. And that's it. That is exactly how to return items on Temu.